Avanade has been working with Microsoft's HoloLens 2 and Dynamics 365 guides. We've reached a point where the software and hardware have come together to start paying big dividends.
To keep up, we needed to train our mechanics in a way that is self-driven, hands-on, and more immersive. The HoloLens and guides allows us to make on-demand training immediately available to our 1,100 techs around the country.
Avanade paired up with MV technicians to create a powerful training module. Our design teams took a human-centered approach to help develop a safer and more immersive training.
Training materials typically take months to pull together. In just a week, Avanade created an experience that was quickly able to be tested and vetted by our techs. Between the videos and holograms, everything was so clear and easy to understand.
Immersive training provided by HoloLens and guides has many benefits, such as improvement in cognition and recall, a socially distanced training, 40% error reduction, and a 50% drop in training timeframes.